Hey, what is going on YouTube? It is your Barker 007. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to configure Amazon Alexa on your Android device. Now, this has been around for quite some time. However, this video will show you how to simply and easily set up this on your Android device. So first things first, you need to launch the Google Play Store and you'd need to search for Amazon Alexa. And as you can see, we have it installed already. It has over 50 million downloads, which is quite a lot, and the latest update has been June 21st. This app has been around for almost 7 years. And as you can see, we have the description here as to what the app offers. You can read that in your spare time or pause the video and read it if you like. So let's launch this application and I'll display, well, basically a setup process of what you'd see when you just install this application. I've installed this application a few days ago and this is the process which I took to install this application. As you can see on screen right now, it is quite simple and easy to set up. So yeah, that's basically it. So now back to the application. So once you've finished setting up this application, you can see we have quite a few options here. At the bottom of the screen, we have a few tabs. As you can see down here, we have some tabs, and those tabs will basically give us various options to use within this Amazon Alexa app. So on the home tab, we could set our phone number, we could link music service. So basically you could link Spotify, Amazon Music, and all of those services. So you could link your phone number and it will basically go to the communicate section, which Amazon will ask you to, if you want to send a message or call someone or do something for you. That is basically the feature for the phone number. And to link the music services, let's see which one they offer. So they have Amazon Music, iHeartRadio, TuneIn, and you could also link a new service. So let's see what else. As you can see, they have Spotify, Vivo, Deezer, which basically covers all of the major streaming music platforms out there. So those are covered by Amazon Alexa, which is quite useful. You could create a voice profile, so you could basically personalize Alexa to basically understand who you are, get to know you on a more personal level. So basically Amazon Alexa could communicate to you basically like she's your friend. Okay, so you could basically create a shopping list with Amazon Alexa. You could set an alarm. So basically you could say, Alexa, hey Alexa, well, mine is currently off right now, or it is because I'm screen recording, it won't respond. So you could ask Alexa to create a reminder and all of that. So basically Amazon Alexa has quite a lot of features which you can use to the best of your advantage. So now let's go into play, and this will basically play based on the music services which you have installed or configured to Alexa. So as you can see, we have quite a lot of music services here. So you could simply tell Alexa to play the local radio and it will do just that. Now, as you can see, we have devices. So if you have any device, the Echo device or Alexa in your home, you could basically ask this, ask Alexa to do various tasks for you. So basically, I don't have a smart device added, or I don't have those devices. However, if you do, you could simply add them by clicking the plus icon in the top right and add device, and will basically pair wirelessly to your Alexa on your phone, or basically it will sync your account. Well, it is still wirelessly. So as you can see, we have Amazon Echo, we have device dash, light, plug. So basically you could use Alexa to control quite a lot of stuff. As you can see right here, we could control the car, fan, air conditioning. We could control quite a lot of stuff with Alexa, which is quite great. So let's go back, because I don't have those fancy devices. So if we should click on more, we could see a few things here. We could change some settings if we want, and we have a few of these repeating: the alarm, timers, routines. So basically you could set a daily routine for Amazon. So basically you could say Alexa would wake you up at 8 a.m. and it will turn on the radio to whichever station you want. So that is a pretty cool feature of Amazon Alexa. And from settings, we could basically change things like your profile name, your password, your basically these are controlled basic settings in the application. We could set Amazon Alexa on auto mode. We have quite a few settings here which you could play around with. I won't go through all of these settings. I'm just looking at a few of them which you could set up for your Amazon Alexa. So Amazon Alexa is quite useful, which it is something you can use on in your home. It is quite useful, and it is quite comfortable to have an assistant which you could just give a command and they follow through. So yeah, that is basically all about Amazon Alexa, and this is currently the latest version. So if you're watching this in the future, you'll probably have a more updated version of Amazon Alexa than this video. However, this is a walkthrough of Amazon Alexa, what it has to offer. So if you found this tutorial informative, or this little video demonstrating what Amazon Alexa is capable of, please let me know in the comments. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please smash that like button if you enjoyed this video. Hacker 007 out.